Okay, so I realized in the previous video that I concentrated mostly on the video aspect of the Sigma lens, and I think I should be talking about how good it is with photos as well. And yeah, so here's a video, just a quick one to just give a few samples and a few thoughts on it. So overall, I think with the Sigma 16mm lens, it is pretty sharp. The autofocus on any kind of Sony cameras are very good because Sigma has been working a long time with Sony. It's pretty snappy as expected, and the quality is great, from f1.4 all the way to f16. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for all your support. Don't forget to share this video with someone who might actually need it, who's actually interested in purchasing it. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye. The problem with vlogging in public is that you're vlogging in public and it's very windy all the time.